The Episcopal Commission on Healthcare was founded in 1986. In 1989, the bishops realized the need to do something for those who were more forgotten than the others, and they founded Catholic Death Care July 11, remembering that the year before, His Eminence Cardinal Sin had appointed the first chaplain for the deaf in the country. It is a national commission. We work for all dioceses, but of course we cannot do everything everywhere at the same time. Realizing that already many things are going on in our church, we thought that concentrating on the people in the greatest need, for whom we have the least services, we try to emphasize what we have forgotten the most, for whom we have the least services, particularly those who also suffer the most. And that was then the people with disabilities. We mentioned already the deaf, but also the blind, mentally retarded, and the people with mental illness, also among the handicapped.
The Commission on Healthcare is a social arm of the Catholic Bishops' Conference of the Philippines that has been known to advocate for the handicapped people in the country, but a few has the knowledge that this commission also advocates for the street families.
Then we have not only people who are poor, the people who are very poor, but the extremely poor. Those who cannot even find a place under the brick, who live on the street. The only thing they have is what they have in their bag.
Through the collaboration of the Commission with the St. Luke Reach Out Foundation, thousands of street families have been helped. Launched last 2003, the foundation holds various programs and activities for the street families such as the feeding programs, medical mission, Eucharistic celebrations, and catechism. However, these projects are not being regularly given to these people because of the lack of funds and exposure of the foundation. Aside from street families, the group also intend to gather other street people such as the scavenger and the so-called taong grasa, helping them build their self-esteem to respect themselves and be respected as well. Through these realizations, they will be able to eventually graduate out of the street and find their home.
We are not in favor of dole-out. Give them human dignity. Tell them you can. And we help them to develop themselves more, to have self-confidence, pride in themselves, realizing that they can take charge of their whole lives and gradually lift up themselves.
Every Sunday, the Commission and the Foundation hold Eucharistic celebration and other activities for these people. But before the Mass, the group allows the street families to take a bath, wash their clothes, and rest in a covered court at the Paco Catholic Church in Manila.
Our purpose is not the dole-out, our purpose is people who, what we call, graduate out of the street. Our purpose is that they get out of the street, they don't have a job or another kind of income, and become people who rent a bed space or eventually rent a room and so on. So we don't look down on scavengers, we look down on begging. We appreciate people who earn a living even if it's smelly. We appreciate that. We provide opportunities for washing themselves, washing their clothes, that there will be less grasa and we will see more the tao, the people, the human dignity. We try to show respect for the human dignity. And our motto is RISE, R-I-S-E, standing for responsibility, industrious, and S-E, self-empowered. Our help will be in the form of training, value education, confidence development. And the main method is CAT, K-E-T, Kalusugan, educación, trabajo, for health, education and work. We provide a doctor, a nurse with free medicine. That we pay. We are against doling out food, a little bit yes, like a merienda, but for medicines we provide the medicines for free. With our limitations of course, but it's free, with the doctor's consultation free. But then you must work and send your children to school. So 30 years from now we will not have the same situation anymore. People on the street for the time being is only a part of Manila, but we hope to expand. But we need some money to do this. But at least we made already much progress when we look at the respect that these people are showing in comparison with the previous year. We do not know how many people, quote, graduated out of the street because then we didn't see them anymore. Our purpose is not to keep them. Our purpose is to make them happy on the street. Our purpose is to get them out of the street. Good work. Thanks be to God.